Hey there Internet Explorers, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got something super useful for you, and that's how to download any video from any website using Google Chrome. Yup, even those sites, but you didn't hear that from me. First things first, head over to your Chrome browser and search for Video Downloader Professional in the Chrome Web Store. This little gem is your new best friend. Click on the first result and stay away from the sketchy knockoffs. Make sure you're looking at this one right here that has over 5 million users, and if you aren't on it, you can just search for it again up here and click enter, and then select the first one that's featured. Once you've selected it and you're on this page, go ahead and press on add to Chrome. Once it's installed, don't forget to pin it to your browser for easy access. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Now head over to the website to the video you want to download. Found it? Great! Look up at the top of your Chrome window and you'll see a little download icon, which should now be your new bestie. Click on it and the extension will work its magic by detecting all available video files on the page. Once the extension finds your video, simply select the file, tap the download button, choose where to save it, and boom! The video is now yours. Need proof? Click on the file, then play it and proceed to enjoy. No buffering, no ads, just pure offline viewing bliss. And that's it. Super simple, right? If this helped you out, smash that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be right there to help. And make sure to subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Oh, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching and happy downloading.